Mastery Connect allows you to add raw data from an outside source into their trackers to help give you a better idea of where your students sit for each standard. To do this, go to the tracker you wish to add it to, and in the upper right-hand corner, choose Add Assessment. Then from that drop-down list, choose Raw Score. This new window is going to pop up that needs you to turn or add in the information. The first thing you're going to do is you're going to select the standard that you want to add the data to. You're going to need to title it based on something that would make sense for you with the assessment that you used. Then we need to get into our total score. So how many points do you want your total score to be worth? I'm going to choose 100 because now we're going to look at the mastery levels. Remember, if it exceeds mastery, it has to be 100%. So since there's 100 points, I'm going to choose 100%. A mastery score is anything that is 80 or higher, and near mastery is anything that has 50% or higher. Since I'm using 100 total points, these are easy to do. If your total score is different, you'll have to do some math to help with that. Once I have all of these filled in, I'm going to choose to add to tracker. A new window will display. It's showing you here in the breadcrumbs that you're still in the 4th grade science tracker, but I'm looking at this specific standard. And here's where I'm going to be able to enter scores for each individual student. As I enter the scores and go to the next column, it is going to fill in the color coding for the mastery level that it is based off the scores that you put in. So if I do something between a 50 and an 80, it should be near mastery. If I choose that they got them all right, I'm going to be exceeds mastery. Anything below a 50% would show remediation. Once I have filled in all of the scores, I'm going to go back to my tracker. So I'm going to click in my breadcrumbs back here to my 4th grade science tracker. And you're going to see now under the 4.2a, what we just put in, all of the color coding is there. It's easy to read.